Hi Sergeant Sams, this is Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for stopping by this morning, and I know you didn't have a lot of time, so I wanted to show you a little bit about the Santa Fe Limited that maybe you could share with your lovely wife. Here at Tameron, we're ready to roll out the red carpet, especially for our loyal leasing customers. This is the all-new Limited Santa Fe 2015. This has the captain's chairs in the center row, ample seating for 6 passengers, automatic soft-touch liftgate, hands-free. This is an idea of the cargo area with the 3rd row down, and all we do is pull the seats up to add 2 more passenger seating. Take a look at all that space. Now, come around to the dash. This is the Limited with panoramic roof, navigation, AM, FM, XM, CD. You've got Bluetooth, BlueLink, HomeLink, push-to-talk controls on your wheel. This vehicle is absolutely loaded with everything. Heated seats, cooled seats, even the 2nd row seats are heated. I look forward to our appointment tomorrow, and bring that Azera in for us to get an appraisal on it. Have a good day.